Hi, Dr. Sandeep. My relative has been advised pulmonary lobectomy, wedge resection, and pneumonectomy for lung cancer treatment. Please tell me, what is this?
You have asked me the question about the amount of lung that has to be removed while we perform surgery. The various options that exist for us are the wedge resection, where a small portion of the lung, that is a tumor bearing portion, is removed, or lobectomy, where a single lobe of the lung is removed, versus pneumonectomy, which means the entire lung of that side is removed. Now, wedge resection is a very simple surgery wherein only the tumor area is removed. But unfortunately, the cancer has a habit of spreading. So most often it spreads to the lymph nodes within the lungs, rest of the lung area or that lobe, and to the lymph nodes which are there in the center of the chest. Now, when we do a wedge resection, we don't remove these lymph nodes at all. We are only removing the portion of the lung and coming out. So, the outcomes of or long-term outcomes of the cancer are much worse when you compare with the radical surgery, which is a lobectomy. The other extreme surgery is the pneumonectomy, wherein the entire lung of that side is removed. Now, is pneumonectomy required in some cases? Yes, it is, because when a large tumor is sitting very close to the blood vessels or the airway, it is required to do a pneumonectomy, but it is required only in selected cases. So, whenever it's possible to avoid pneumonectomy, we do avoid them, because pneumonectomy comes with a lot of problems. As we are removing half or sometimes more than half of the lung, the patients tend to develop breathlessness and they have difficulty in coping up with the surgery in the long term. We want to avoid it when feasible. So, the optimal choice very often is lobectomy, because we are finding a balance when we perform lobectomy. We get the same outcomes or same cancer related outcomes as pneumonectomy, that is removal of the full lung. At the same time, avoid the problems related to the wedge resection, wherein we are leaving behind the cancer tissue sometimes. So, lobectomy is an optimal choice when it comes to a lung cancer, whenever it's feasible. So, when we perform lobectomy, we remove that lobe of the lung along with the lymph nodes which are there in the center of the chest, what is called as mediastinum. So that gives us the best of the results.